Okay.
Cheese.
Hi, Lily.
Hello.
What you doing? You playing kitchen?
Yeah.
Oh. Hi. You got toys?
Yeah.
You gonna make some food? Make some food. Ooh. Lily's gonna make some food. There she is. There's my Lily. Oh, Lily, you're pretty good at that, aren't you? Should we turn it around for you?
Okay.
Okay, here goes Grandma turning it around. Ready? Here we go. There you go. Now you can make some food. Oh, she turned on the kitchen. Where's your food? Can you find your food?
Hey.
What are you doing?
I see you.
I see you. Say cheese.
Cheese.
What are you doing to your kitchen? You gonna cook? What you gonna make? You gonna make oatmeal? Are you gonna make French fries? You like French fries?
No.
Yes, you do. Do you like cereal?
No.
Do you like eggs?
Huh?
You like eggs?
Huh?
Whoa.
Whoa.
Be careful.
And this.
What is that?
This.
It's for the cups.
Cup.
Where's the cups?
Huh?
Where's the cups, little girl? Oh, there it is. Can you hang it up? Good, Lily. Oh, she did it. Oh my gosh. Lily did it. She doing more? Uh-oh. Oh, I'm sorry, honey. You want to try again?
Okay.
Can you do it again?
Hey, come and do it.
Grandma do it? Oh, man. Okay, Grandma will do it. Okay, all done.